Hi, I'm Charlene, and if you've received this video, it's likely that one of the ladies on our team, The Avenue, has shared the opportunity to join SeneGence with you, and you might have a few questions about what you're going to receive in your new distributor kit when you sign up. So that's what we want to share with you today. When you sign up with your distributor fee, you're going to get an amazing kit, all-in-one business, right here in this box for you to immediately start sharing and telling other people about the products you love from SeneGence. So let's dig in and see what's in the box, okay? All right, so when you get this box, it has lots of great things inside. When you start, you're first going to get this wonderful welcome pamphlet that's going to give you information about how to launch your business immediately. Of course, the rest of your team and your upline is going to help you with all this information too, but if you can't wait to get started, you can jump right in. The next thing you're going to find in your new distributor kit is this great carry case, perfect for putting in all of your demo materials, business cards, some beauty books, and everything else that you need to have your business on the go so that you can share about all of your products that are right here in this box. The rest of what you're going to find in your kit has everything you need to immediately start your business and share with friends and family. Inside, you will find copies of our beauty book, which is our current catalog that has all of our products and information that you can share with family and friends. You have a copy of $1 Million Lips, which is our founder and CEO, Joni Rogers Conte's wonderful book about how she built and started SeneGence with literally $6 in her pocket and a piece of paper that gave her custody of her son. It's amazing. You're going to love it. There are also some customer seats so you can start taking orders right away. And of course, you have a complete lip kit so that you can demo our premier product, LipSense. This is the product that started it all. Lip color that lasts 4 to 18 hours. It doesn't budge, rub, smudge, or kiss off. And it only gets better from there. The LipSense is amazing, but the skincare and everything else that you're going to find is truly the most amazing products you will find. And everything is right in here for you to get started. So now that you know what's inside your distributor kit, what do you do with it? Well, you can take an alcohol wipe, clean off your hand, and use those LipSense testers to give yourself what we call stripes. This is the official SeneGence calling card of our premier product, LipSense. And trust me, when you're going to the grocery store, you're running errands, you're dropping kids off at school, everybody's going to stop and ask you and say, hey, what's on your hand? And you simply look at them and say, oh my gosh, LipSense, have you heard of it? Look. It doesn't budge, rub, smudge, or kiss off. Isn't that amazing? And everybody's going to look at you and go, wow. And that's how the conversation starts. Because from there you can tell them it's not only long-lasting liquid lip color, it's long-lasting cosmetics and anti-aging skincare made from the greatest stuff on earth. And you'll have an opportunity to launch your business with a launch party that will start for you within our team. So when you get your kit, you can start running around and sharing your stripes with everyone and talking about SeneGence and your new opportunity and what you want to do with it. And we, as the Avenue, will help you set your goals, get your party ready to get started, and all you have to do is start thinking about who you want to invite. We can't wait to support you. See you in the Avenue.